Beautiful. Wait till they get to all this. They should have stayed. Oh, Rob. Oh, I'm very pleased. And I love the grout in it too.
Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous?
Oh my goodness.
Choice.
Oh, I love the color we picked out.
Oh,
Very
Rob, it's
good. He did a
beautiful.
wonderful job. Joshua, is that his name?
That's his name, Joshua.
You did a great job.
He did a beautiful job.
Oh, honey, it's so pretty.
Hi, I'm Rob Hoffman,
And I'm Mom Joyce.
and we are in the final stretch of getting our home built.
Yes.
Since we last came together, we have all of our flooring installed. We have all of the lighting installed. Our fireplace has a mantle. We have our stonework done. What else do we have done? Our backsplash, which you can get a glimpse of behind us, is installed. Really, the thing that's left now in the house is the plumber is coming on Monday to put the plumbing in, and we'll have running water. They're delivering the appliances on Tuesday, and at some point in the next few days they're running our gas line, which is the last big thing to do.
Yes.
And the painters will be back in the next few days to put the final coat from one end of the house to the other.
And then, after that, the cleaners will come in and they do the house from top to bottom and all the windows, and I'm happy about that.
She's cleaned every time you've been here for 2 weeks. Don't let her kid you. But I think we'll be putting a few pictures up just in the last couple of weeks. We've had a lot happen. The next video we do should be after closing, and we'll be including the delivery of the appliances, the furniture coming in, and then Mom will do another walkthrough of the house and we'll show you what we saw at the beginning and what we ended up with at the end.
And we hope it's the same as we dreamed about. So we've worked hard, and so has everyone else involved, and we appreciate everything everybody has done.
So give us a like, thumbs up and a like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. We've got a few more of these to do, and then I'll get back to what I normally do in probably about 3 weeks once I get that big piano-shaped object moved. And see you then. Have a great day.
Bye, everybody.